Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you an easy step on how to fix your start menu which is not working in your computer. First is you need to press Control Alt and Delete together, and this will open your task manager. Once you open it, just expand it and go for this processes. And here, under the applications or apps, you need to look for Windows Explorer. Do a right click and go for Restart. Now, once they restart their Windows Explorer, mostly the start menu will be fixed and start working or responding again. But let's say if it doesn't work for you, then let's close this window and go for command prompt. Please type CMD and go for run as administrator. Here, your user account control will ask you to yes, just go with yes. And in this new window, please type SFC all in lowercase / scan now and press enter to continue. So once you click that, your system will begin to scan. So this process will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes depending on your computer. This will fix all the issues like start menu not working. You just have to wait until the verification is complete. In my case, it is in 3% as of this time. Okay? You just have to wait until it's done and just have to close this and you need to restart your computer. Okay, so once you restart your computer, you will be able to see the difference. I'm sure that your start menu will work again. Okay, so that is the easy step on how to fix your start menu which is not working. Hopefully, this solution works for you or fix your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.